Hi, I'm Ian Head from Steel Builders. We're a structural steel fabricator. We're also a building material supplier. Our business has been growing rapidly over the years, and we found ourselves in a place where we needed some systems and structure with our staff and some accountability in our business. So we engaged TalentCode HR, and they've been awesome. We've got our framework in place now. We've just spent 2 days with Trudy and setting up our strategic plans, and I couldn't recommend these guys highly enough. Fantastic, Trudy and the team, really, really good.